Kia ora e te iwi, te ao, which translates to the world. In the Māori world, there are many phases of te ao, which informs how we can see things.
Te ao tūroa, the enduring world.
Te ao tukupu, the universe.
Te ao kohatu, the ancient world.
Te ao moimoia, the dream world, aka Aroha Nui's world.
Back it up, matua. Well, in this case, we're talking about the world of the young person. Te ao te taiohi. The world of us young people is so crazy. There's work here, assignments there, not to mention trying to keep up with all the other dramas.
Well, since I'm the older head here, I'll make quick mention of the fact that this world is impacted by what happened to our ancestors, both the good and the bad.
Yes, e koro, te tiriti o waitangi, legislation, policy and colonisation.
And with all this, it's important to keep in mind te ao o te tauhi, the world of a young person, and to make sure that we uplift and support them.
Our young people's worlds are affected by all of these factors, both past and present. It's so dynamic, but with the right type of support, our rangatahi can be empowered to take on meaningful roles in society. Mā tō kiwai, mā tōku kiwai, ka whana ki te taiohi. With your efforts and my efforts, our rangatahi will flourish.
So there you have it e te iwi, te ao o te taiohi.
The world of the young person. Mauri ora.